This is 5 ways you can integrate the divine feminine. What are some traits that the feminine in our current society struggles with in coming into their divine feminine essence? There's competitiveness, manipulation, insecurity, jealousy, and victimhood. And what are some traits of a healed divine feminine? Would be a creator being, would be the nurturer, the oracle, and the, mother, sister, friend to the family, the community. The first tip that we have for you guys is allowing yourself to receive love unconditionally, allowing yourself to be given things. And while that might seem like a weird thing, we're kind of conditioned to need to do things on our own, and that's a masculine trait. But if we want to soften into our feminine, we can allow ourselves to receive. If somebody offers to do something for you, you could say yes instead of I'm fine. If somebody offers to drive you somewhere, you could say yes instead of I don't want to burden you. Allowing yourself to really receive opens up the divine feminine energy of being taken care of in an organic way. Our second tip for you is an insecurity practice, and this is actually a mirror self-talk practice. So what you do is you come in front of a mirror and you see yourself, you witness yourself, you look at yourself in your eyes, and you can stay for as long as possible. I'd highly recommend 10 minutes or more. You can build up to even doing like an hour where you're kind of just in front of the mirror, talking to yourself, looking at yourself. And this kind of creates a relationship with the self in which you're really seeing yourself, and you can love yourself because you are witnessing that which you are. You're out of the mind and you're seeing you.
Should we all be in the video still?
She's picking a lemon.
Okay. Are you going to be in the video, Bubba?
You know what you remind me of?
Oh my god.
Grogu. Did you watch that?
Hey guys! So our third tip is cultivating that self-love training. So it could be a self-care practice, maybe you want to do some dry brushing, sauna, just taking care of yourself. The feminine often loves to just keep going and going and going. Sometimes you just need to take a break, slow down, and take care of yourself.
So tip number 4 is womb healing. This is really important for any female or male that feels called to connect into their womb. The womb is quite targeted, just based on our sexuality, stuff like that. And a way that you can connect into your womb is just to hold it, just to notice the energy inside of your womb, notice that it is a part of you. You can connect into all of the organs in your womb or your yoni, that area, and just give acknowledgement to how divine that is and how that is such a sacred and important part of you and your divine sacred feminine, your creational energy. It is a portal. It is a very, very magical space, so you can meditate on it, you can connect into it, and you can pull organic light frequencies up if you're at that level. No worries, if not, you can just meditate on it, or you can get creative, pull light up through your womb, allow it to circulate all through your womb, and just be appreciative of this very sacred part of yourself as a female and as a human. This is such a powerful, potent part of the body.
Tip 5 for you today is magnetizing your abundance through your creative energy. When we are trying to manifest the best things in our life, it's amazing to pull from love, because love is so magnetizing. You can manifest anything that you want, and being in your divine feminine creational energy is being in that love.
Number 6, we're talking about the beautiful energy surrounding our Christos Sophia. So if you ever want to get in touch with your femme side, you can call her in and she will show you all of the love in the universe. She's like the mother. Sophia is the feminine energy of the universe.